So we are going to find out the domain of this algebraic function. तो क्या क्या चेक करना है हमें कि स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर it should not be negative, and if something is in the denominator it should not be equal to 0 as well. We will solve it in two parts. Firstly this and then this, and then we will take the common values. So firstly we want to know where this thing is positive. So by using the sign scheme method, mark these numbers on the number line where numerator is 0 and where denominator is 0. So we are getting -2 and 2. Now take any point from any of the subintervals. Let's say I take 0 from here, it lies here. Put it here, 0. We are getting negative, means if you take any value from this subinterval, the value of this expression will remain negative, and therefore, as I have explained earlier, in the subsequent subinterval, sign will get changed, reversed. Similarly, here it will be positive. We need only positive value, but here is one exception. This thing, x plus 2 should not be equal to 0, and this implies x should not be equal to -2. x को -2 हम नहीं ले सकते, or this whole thing should be positive, which is here and here. So we are getting -infinity to -2, both are open. Since -2 cannot be included here, this union 2 can be included. So from 2 to infinity, this is the first thing, first part. Now we'll find out this. Again same thing, this thing should be more than 0, and this thing 1 plus x should not be equal to 0. Now plot it on the number line. We're getting two values, -1 and 1. Check it for 0. For 0 we're getting it positive, positive, negative, negative. We need only positive values, and this should not be equal to 0. So positive values means x should lie in between -1 and 1, and strictly more than 0. So in this case 1, we can take 1 can be included, but -1 cannot be included. This is the second. Now what are the values which is common to both from 1 and 2? So make another number line. Mark the different points, -2, -1, 1 and 2. Here it says -1 to 1, -1 is not included, 2, 1, 1 is included. And from here we can see -infinity, -2 not included, and 2 to infinity, 2 not included. This union this, intersection this, you can very well see no points, nothing is common in these two intervals, and therefore solution does not exist. And therefore solution does not exist. Do like, share and subscribe.